Just take a breath and take it deep to show the world that you can see a life that's full of wonder, but it will never be enough.
Welcome to another episode of Approved to Move. My name is Kendall Gervais. I'm a realtor with Magnolia Homestead Realty, and today we are in the Shores in Ocala, Florida. I'm standing in front of a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home that's 1,580 square foot. It has a new roof, new AC, all the ceiling fans are brand new. It'd be quicker to tell you what has not been updated in this home. So I just want to let you know that we work with a lender, and that's one of the advantages of using us as a realtor. We have a real close connection with the lender that we work with. So if you're interested in getting funding and financing to buy a home, please give us a call. All the information will be in the description. But go ahead and leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Plus hit that bell so you get notified every time we upload a new video showing homes. This home's about to go on the market. It's going to be priced perfectly. So keep your eyes out. If you want to schedule a showing or even make an offer, go ahead and leave a comment or give me a call. The number's 352-615-3989. Now we're going to let the beautiful lady show you the rest of the house, and I'll get out of your hair. Let's go ahead and get started. Come on.
Hey, come on in. Check out this house that is move-in ready. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,580 square feet. We have a brand new roof, brand new HVAC, brand new hot water heater, and the septic has been recently pumped. So
that means FHA, VA, conventional, USDA. This home is also eligible for a USDA loan, which is zero money down.
Love that.
With the new roof and all of these upgrades and all the new appliances, a whole new appliance package also, by the way. Wait till you see it. Stainless steel. Homeowner's insurance is going to be awesome. Way lower than what older homes normally are. So come on in and check it out.
It's nice.
Excited to show you this home, you guys. It's beautiful. The owner has kept up with it so well. It's decorated beautifully, so hopefully you can picture yourself living in it. Bedrooms are huge. Just so much, just really, really nice. You're gonna love it.
Yes. So right when you come in, we're in the living room. Great big open living room. Brand new ceiling fans in here. Come on and see this dining room and kitchen combo. I like how you can be cooking dinner and the kids are doing their homework at the table. This is nice. All brand new Samsung stainless steel appliances.
Yeah.
You've got the double fridge with the freezer at the bottom, ice maker, granite countertops, beautifully painted cabinets. I like the color. It's not the regular white or gray. It all goes really nicely with the granite.
Also, all of these appliances are still under warranty, so the owner has all the paperwork and all the warranty information. So that's a huge plus. If something were to happen or go wrong, you have a warranty still.
Definitely. Great to know you're covered.
Beautiful window over the sink. This is probably one of my favorite things because you can look out at your yard or see the kids playing, the dogs playing, whatever you need. You can look out and watch, and I just like that, you know.
She did also recently have all of the windows inspected, so they are definitely in great shape.
Yes, which is another awesome thing for FHA, USDA, VA. Any type of loan will cover this home.
Yeah, for sure. Welcome to the primary room.
Hey everybody, weight bench, plenty of room to work out.
I love that this is a great size room.
Yeah,
I mean, you could get a king size bed, with end tables on both sides. I love the windows in here.
Yes.
Beautiful wood floors.
The owner works from home, so she's got her desk set up over there already, and wait till you see the closet. It's a very nice size.
Look at this closet. I mean, you could put a twin size bed in here. So much space for activities, guys. Like, wow, this is a closet. Any woman would love to have this closet. She's got some cute clothes too, guys. What do you think? Is this me? I think I could do it. You think she'll notice? You think she'd mind? I don't know. Just kidding. But this primary bathroom has new vanity, new mirror, all LED lighting with the push button. This is fancy.
Yes, super, super cool.
Wow. Oh my goodness. Are you ready? Are you ready? Wow. Like, could you imagine just doing your makeup in here with the lighted mirror? Oh, I love it. It's very nice. Very nice vanity. I like it a lot. Slow close cabinets. Nice linen closet in here as well. This house is a true split floor plan. So you've got the primary on one side and the other two bedrooms on the other side. I like that. It's very private. Gives you the living room to separate so that the mom can have her own, mom and dad, or
Yes.
dad and dad, whatever you prefer, can have your own privacy and have your guests on the other side of the house. So I like that.
Yeah.
Nice linen closet right here. The guest bathroom also has updated vanities and mirror, new lighting. It's decorated very cute. I like that all of the colors are very neutral and inviting.
Come on into the kids' bedroom, you guys. We're playing Connect 4. I've already beat Chelsea.
She won.
And this bedroom is awesome for your kid or kids. It's a huge room, so it'll fit even more than one bed if you wanted it to. 2 closets, which is super unique and cool. So if you do want to fit 2 kids in here, they could each have their own closet.
Love that.
Really great.
Yeah, you can put the TV in the middle. It's already wired for cable and stuff. Got the outlet right there, so you got bam bam closet and the TV in the middle. It's a great space.
Perfect.
Hey guys, check it outside. You can hear the birds chirping. Beautiful trees back here, privacy fence all the way around, and this house has gutters and a fresh coat of paint on the exterior.
Yes, it's a huge backyard. It's come out here, relax, put your patio set out. It's gorgeous, it's quiet, and you can hear nature, birds chirping. Like, how awesome.
We're on 0.28 of an acre here, so you've got a nice sized lot to just do whatever you want. You could have a pool, trampoline, whatever you want out here.
It's also a corner lot, so that makes
That's
it
nice.
very nice, so you don't have anyone on that side of you.
So this house is on a septic tank and a well. The septic has been recently pumped, so FHA, VA, they love that, and it's great for you too to know that you won't have to worry about that in the future. This house did have a whole new drain field just put in. That is awesome because these are all things that eventually you'd have to worry about, but with this house, you don't have to worry about. So you may not be buying a brand new house, but you really kind of are, because all of these things you would get in a new home, but you're getting it here. The listing price on this house is going to be starting at $277,000. It's very comparable to the other homes that are in the area, and all of those new homes that are priced like that don't have the gutters. They don't have all of the great things about this house does. You're getting the washer and dryer to come with the house. That's awesome. People love that.
Yeah.
It's a great house. So give us a call, Come check it out. We would love to help you buy this home.
Don't forget, FHA, VA, USDA, conventional, all loan types will cover this house.
Yes, it will. So thanks for watching Approved to Move. Make sure you like this video. Hit that bell so you get a notification every time we upload. Subscribe if you're not already to get more content like this. And give us a call. We'd love to help you.
Talk to you soon.
Bye.